In this video, I'm going to tell you 10 low-cost hyperlocal businesses you can start right away this 2020. Number 1, the handyman business. Believe it or not, do you have any idea how many people are out there who do not know to change an electric bulb, or they just don't have time for that? This industry is growing at a rate of 5.7%. The advantages in this industry is a flexible working hours and the opportunity to work with multiple clients. Number 2, home care service industry. This is a $100 billion industry in the US. The main reason behind the growth of this industry is the affordable solution as compared to hospitalization. The other factors which influence the growth in this particular industry is the positive attitude of the doctors towards home care services and the prevalent diseases. Number 3, real estate. Just like food, everybody needs a place to live in. This industry is growing at a rate of 4.8%, and there is a rise in the number of online portals which are coming up to cater to the particular demand. Number 4, the travel industry. Everybody loves to travel these days. Many millennials want to travel more than have money in their bags. This is a $41 billion industry, and the travel agencies these days are diversifying into hotel bookings and taxi services. Number 5, gardening and pest control. Everybody loves nature and would want to have their outdoors neat and clean. The gardening contracts can either come from hotels or from individuals. Now moving on to pest control. Pest control services are the ones which can be done only by professionals. Everybody has to have pet control services in their house at least once in 3 years. The availing the service has become so easy that you will be able to find trained professionals just at the tap of a button. Number 6, flower delivery. Weddings, birthdays and anniversaries call out for flowers. This is a perfect hyperlocal business model, as no one wants to travel more than 35 minutes to avail this particular service. Number 7, personal trainers and dietitians. Almost 70% of the population would have made a New Year resolution to stay fit this year. This is for those people who have a passion to help out others look at their best. Number 8, food trucks. Everybody loves food. Previously, there was a notion that food trucks were not hygienic, but now this is a $1 billion industry. Number 9, catering services. This refers to individuals catering to event-based services. The advantages in this particular sector is the high order value and the opportunity to work with multiple clients. The last one, auto parts services. Your car can break down anytime and anywhere. The average order value in this particular industry varies from $50 to $5,000. You can either be servicing cars or even selling auto parts. These are 10 low-cost hyperlocal business ideas you can start right away. We at Jungle Works look forward to help entrepreneurs just like you build their startup dreams with us. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and get started.